Hey Pisces, welcome to my channel. This is a romantic love reading for you. This is a weekly reading for the last week of May 2019. This is for Pisces. Please, universe, what can I get for Pisces sign for the last week of May 2019? What message, please, is for Pisces? Applicable in singles, couples in a relationship, or dating. Wow, good news. Two of Cups, reconnection, reconciliation, Seven of Swords. Okay, I'm really feeling like someone is about to admit. Good news, connection, reconnection, admission. All right? It's really feeling good. Page of Wands. All right. This Page of Wands, this is a message. This is a good connection. This is a good reconnection. This was someone in the past who is very attracted to you but was shy, or they were so busy they didn't have a lot of time. And so this coming end of May going forward to June, it seems to be that they finally they finally had, for some of you, this person waited to clear things out before they say the good news. The good news is connection, reconnection. For some of you, this person is or this connection, this situation is something really because I see this Page of Wands. This is good news, and the way she's bringing or he's bringing the good news, it's making a noise. All right, so this person, this situation, this reconnection, or this new person is going to make a noise. The arrival towards you is gonna make a noise. It's for some of you, you're so quiet, nothing is happening, and then boom, they come back. This is a person that's confident, attractive, or this is what they feel towards you, attraction. All right, but it's gonna make a noise. It's a person, it's a message that's gonna disturb you in a very good way. Not disturbing to be annoyed or something, but it's a bit disturbing. It's a bit a noise. It's a show off for some of you. Like, I'm arriving to attract you, girl or babe. It's really good. In the past, they were busy. In the past, they were not interested because the attraction has always been there, especially for those dating, for reconnecting or in a relationship. It could be that they couldn't find time, or it could be that, for some reason they were impatient of you. There was a bit of a argument, hurt, and pain in the past, but that's gone. What's with them is how, for some of you, I'm picking up, they really find you lovely. They want a lovely connection, reconnection. It's really a strong attraction in here, a strong comeback. Right, there is a strong comeback. It's probably tied up with what I said about noise. This is a person that's gonna have an arrival to your life. If this is a new person, if this is a reconnection, they would really make a noise, some sort of a grand entrance to get your attraction. Or this is how attracted this person is, or this situation to you. It's good because what they want is a mutual love, mutual respect, mutual communication. They want the Two of Cups. It's love, it's romantic, it's mutual. It's two-person admitting that they love each other, they miss each other. It's basically, I have the same feeling for you. It's reciprocation of whatever the other person gives to the other person. It's mirroring each other. They want this. All right, they're coming for this. If you look at the Page of Wands, it's yelling at the Two of Cups. They are confident, they're attracted, and they're making an arrival to get this Two of Cups from you. All right, if this person cheated on you, if this person ghosted you, if this person is inconsistent, or for some reason disappointed you, they're here to really get your apology. They really get your approval that they want to go back. Again, what's in between the Two of Cups is the Lion, which is the strength card here. So for some of you, I'm picking up, there was a breakup, there was a broken communication, something broke off, or something was cut off, and now the rope, the link between the two of you, they want that back. All right, and they want to progress. This person is changing. That's why there probably is announcing their arrival towards you, that are like, I've changed, you know. I have changed now. I can offer you this Two of Cups. I've changed. I want to progress towards you. And the Queen of Swords, this, I felt like this is more of futuristic card for you, in because this is a beginning, a stage one, two, three. This is what you're gonna focus in the this is what you're focused. This is reconnecting, meeting. This is the focus. This is a process of what's gonna happen with you in this relationship, in this situation, or in this reconnection, or this new dating. This is what they bring towards you. Message, connection, a bit of show off to get your attention. They want your love. They want your Two of Cups. They want you to admit that they like that. They want you to admit that, you know, you have to like me back. Some sort of like that. They want your admission, your approval of their offer, and they want to really progress. And I felt like this is futuristic in a way that as you become more comfortable, as you become more and more and more connected, as you become more familiar with each other, they would speak the truth, what happened in the past. Because I felt like if you're connecting with the person in the past, they would tell you and explain what happened in the past. So I guess the reason why I was advised to explain this is, if you got some hurt and pain and struggle in the past, don't talk about it right now. Just enjoy and celebrate that this person has come back. This person is connecting with you, and if you like them, you could show them and support them of your connection or reconnection. Just enjoy this progress. Enjoy who they are right now. If this is a new person, enjoy the connection, enjoy the dating, enjoy this moment. Because if this is a new person, they have some sort of revelation to tell you in the near future. If this is a reconnection of someone in your past, enjoy this moment, enjoy this honeymoon stage. Because after this, they would tell you what happened or the reason why they've ghosted you, or there was a reconnection, some sort of admission after being comfortable, like, after things clear out, after the honeymoon stage is okay, they finally can be comfortable and, you know, tell you the history, the background of what they think happened in the past, which is a key to think. It's a key information to move in a very serious engagement, marriage, or really, really something serious. All right. So there's still a lot to happen. I feel like there's still a lot of things to happen, because they're gonna make an impact when they come back to you. So enjoy this show off, this message, this honeymoon stage, and the Queen of Swords will take place in near future. So it's a key. It's a key. So watch out for that. All right. So this is for you, Pisces. Thanks for your time. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed, please join my team. Click subscribe now. And I will see you soon again next week. This week for how does your she feels about me and other bonuses with my channel. Thanks again. Bye-bye.